Hello, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Anime Freak, and welcome back to Outlast 2! Yes, we're finally back. Our raft went so far away down the river, and we have to get it back. And last time, we nearly got our rocks beaten to death. And now that. Whatever that is, it's right over there. According to this thing. Yeah, it's over there. It's over there, and I don't like it. It's going, like my ex during sex. Stop that. You're giving me memories of my past. Anyway, we are on a quest to find my wife, who has been kidnapped by cultists of the highest order! The order of something. The insane Christians of Latter-day Saints or something. Something like that. And by Latter-day Saints, I mean nutcases in robes preaching at outhouses. That sort of thing. So not really saints, more lunatics. So that's the level we're at. And it's a game of stealth and hiding. And I was a brave boy right up until I sat down into this scenario yet again. I thought, yeah, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna be epic. I'm gonna run through and do the game today in this one part. Then I realized I'm not even halfway through the game, and then I realized there's more terrors ahead of me. And then I started slowly crying. And then I decided not to cry, because that would be horrible on camera. Make my mascara run. Why does it breathe at me? Now there's a door. Why is there a door now? I don't like it. I don't like it. I think my name is Uh-oh. Is that one of those, crawling dudes? That crawls. I'm going this way now. I'm going this way. I'm going away from you. I'm going away from you, Mr. Breather in the Dark. The asthmatic. I'm sorry I made fun of your asthma. I am sorry. I will just proceed as normal. I will just get up and not take the music at its note. Because musics don't have words. Lyrics have words. These aren't lyrics, these are musics. And that is a trap, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna go around the trap. With that.
The raft.
Uh-oh. They found it. They found the raft. Well, now where do I go? Along this edge. Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, little man and big dude are gonna be here, aren't they? They're gonna fire arrows at me. I'm gonna die. It's gonna happen. Need to be careful. Not fall. Oh, someone's gonna grab me. There are fish there. Fish! Uh-oh.
Motherfucking no.
Oh, these are people's heads. And people in general who are dead and have died. That was a door. That was the sound of a door. Did you hear the door? I heard the door. I think we all heard the door. And it scared the fuck out of me. I don't know. Every 5 seconds I think I'm safe, and then the game proves me utterly and incomprehensible. Oh, fuck. Yeah, someone's gonna hear what I'm about to do. Shove this tree over, am I right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to die. I'm about to die, people! Because I have not played in a little while. It's been a little while. It's been a little while. Saving. Oh no, it's saved. You know what saving means? Saving means that I need to balance. Carefully. Laird and someone else. Please don't be a douchebag with your goddamn arrows while I'm on this thing. Could you at least wait until I'm across? Love sees what? Oh, Hanging Man. Hi, Hanging Man. How you doing? Love sets us free. Define love, please. I would love for you to define love. Haha. that's a play on words and a lot of cacti around here. You're trying to fuck with me. Can I peek? Can I peek? Uh-oh. There are people. There are people there. Okay. Could you shut up the music? Uh-oh. I don't like this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Watching. There are people patrolling. There's the raft. But they're patrolling. You need to get down. Oh, cactus! Yep, that was a cactus. The cacti really hurt ya. 2 hits from a cactus or something like that and you're dead. Like in real life. The mortal enemy known as cacti. Oh shit! Oh, no! 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 Wrong buttons! What was the run button? I forgot how to run! Oh no! I was an idiot. I didn't... This is what I need to do. They were coming after me anyway. So I just need to run. I need to run. That's what I need to do. You guys with me? You guys with me? You believe in me? 1, 2, 3, go! Go, go, run, run, just run, just run. They found me anyway. They found me no matter what. They found me. Use the shitting thing! It's called a raft! It makes things go float, float! Oh god, raft controls, float, float, float. Don't hit the rocks, don't hit the rocks, don't hit the rocks. Rocks are bad. Rocks make your raft go break up and then you die. Oh shit, oh shit. Where are we going? Where are we going down this river of woe? I don't know. I just made a rhyme. Accidentally, sorry about that. Twitter gets upset when I make rhymes. I don't know why they get upset when I make rhymes. I'm just speaking out my ass at the moment. Everyone likes to talk out their ass. Especially me. That's why I do this. That's why I do these videos. Because I like to talk out my ass. I'm heading towards somebody. I'm heading towards somebody. Oh, good. A cave. A cave of deathly evil. Oh, no. Oh, no. Who's going to be there? Who's going to be there? Laird? Mr. Arrows? Huh? Huh? You're going to shoot me? You're going to shoot me with your arrows? Is a monster going to drag me under again? Is that what's going to happen? Huh? Huh? Game? Game? With your knowledge and your horror and your terror and your panic inducement and your disclosure agreement saying I won't sue if I have a heart attack? Let's go this way. Let's go this way. This seems to be... Ah, shit. They are going to shoot arrows at me, aren't they? They are. They're going to shoot arrows at me. Because this is medieval times, apparently. That's one too many medieval times visits. No more for you for now. Do they just... Oh, they know where I am. I'm saving. I'm saving. That means I'm about to die. That means I'm about to die. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, please. Oh, please, no. I don't want to die. Dying means I have to go back. You know what happens when I go back? Oh, no! 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 Not the raft! The raft broke apart. Where am I going now? Where am I going now? Cutscene? I can't look away. I can't control my looking. Okay. Where am I going? There's the mine. Okay. Oh, my raft is smaller.
What are they doing to her?
They are making her bake cupcakes.
Call me the father.
That's right. She's giving birth to the Antichrist. Slightly different from cupcakes.
Can
We haven't in months. Well, it depends how far along pregnant she is. What kind of intercourse it was. It depends on what her personal menstruation cycle is. There's a bunch of factors that go into a woman getting pregnant. That's why it's so difficult. And yet everyone seems to be able to do it. Oh dear. Oh dear, and amazingly, when people don't want a child, that's when they have a child. What? 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 What happened to me? Oh shit. Run! Run, swim! I need to move. I need to move. I don't know where to move. I'm going there. I'm going to that ladder. You see that ladder? I'm going to that ladder. I need to swim. No! No! Why am I tongued? I got tongued! What am I getting tongued by? What? Where? Oh no. I'm in a pool. Oh shit, that's a monster! What did I do? Oh no, oh no, no, no. Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me, you idiots. You hideous bitch. Oh, nuts. I'm gonna die repeatedly, aren't I? Oh no. The gospel. Oh god, where am I going? Where am I going? Oh god. Just run. Just run. Just run. Just run. Just run. Just run. Oh god, she's right behind me. She's right behind me. Where am I going? I'm in a pool! I'm in a pool! Why is there a bitch behind me? And by bitch, I mean little bitch. Follow the lines. Follow the lines. Follow the lines. Get out of the pool. Get out of the pool. Get out of the pool. Oh god. Oh god, where am I going? Is it gone? Everything's vibrating. Okay. Here's my question. Do I go to that exit or that exit? Oh, dear God. Oh, dear God. This is actually quite terrifying. I'm back at school. Yay! I don't like the school parts. I don't. They're more terrifying. I want to be a YouTuber, Mommy. Well, son, prepare to die. Oh, God. I just want to make people happy. All I've wanted to do. Stop that with your... Ooh, good. The talking toilets are here. How good. Oh! We found Carrie's shower! How lovely! I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Is there a shit monster? Is there a shit monster like in Justice League Dark? Oh god. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I don't know. Okay. These are words. These are words in some language somewhere. I am positive. Okay. Go to the exit now. Okay. I'm gonna open the door. Can I open the door? No? Okay. It's locked. It's jam locked. It's locked with jam. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna open the other one. Yeah, you're gonna be the good toilet, aren't you? The good toilet full of shit. Okay, never mind. Oh. Those are my footprints. Those are my footprints in blood. Okay. What do I do? You are telling me nothing. Alright. Okay. Alright. Ah! Who's coming where? Oh, he. That monster is a he, isn't it? Oh god. Where am I going? Where am I going? It's locked. It's jammed. It's jam locked. How do we get up there? Ooh, how do we get up there? Oh.
How the fuck do I get out of here?
I don't want to go in the men's room. Boys' room? Boys' men room? Hello? 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 Oh god. Well, prepare to see a lot of death coming up, I imagine. Ooh. Ooh-hoo. Ooh-hoo. Doctor Who. Where do I go? Left or right? Go right first. Oh, that's the monster. That's the monster. That's the monster. Oh shit! Oh god! Oh no, run! Oh god, what am I doing? I'm running. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm running. I don't want to die. Ah! Oh god. Where am I going? Oh, monster! No, what's happening? I can't see. All I can see is blood. And guts and shit. Oh god. Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? I don't know where I'm going. Am I going in here? No, am I going in there? I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. Am I about to be killed by a monster? No. Oh god, this is nerve-wracking. Okay, I'm going back to that room. That has to be where I'm supposed to be going. Where am I going? Where am I supposed to be going? Game? I'm lost. Oh god, am I dying? Oh, please tell me I'm not dying because of the blood. Oh god. Oh, please no. Don't let me die like this. Lost and confused like a motherfucker. Then again, that's how I usually die, so there we are. Close the door. Ladder! Oh, fuck, duh! This is a ladder! This is a wooden ladder now. It was steel, now it's wood. Now it's even more wood. Okay, where am I going? I got lost. In school. Ha 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 ha! Like I do every time we go there. Oh, God, I'm saving. Oh, is that blood? Is that more blood? Please tell me it's not more blood. That's more blood. I'll take a battery. I would love a bat. It's raining blood. Hallelujah, it's raining blood. Every type, I guess. Oh, god damn. Why is it raining blood? Oh, no. I want to make a joke, but I'm too scared of being offensive. Oh! We all know the joke that I'm thinking of, because I'm a road to Damascus. Okay, what does that mean? What does road to Damascus mean? Well, I know what it means in biblical sense, but I don't know what it means. Well, I'm going up. But is that the entrance to the mine? Am I going into my mine? Mine with that music. Huh? Okay, making sure that's not the only way I can go. Blood. Lovely blood. Man, Dracula would love this place as a vacation spot. Already hate it. You know, too much food everywhere. You get so fat. Okay, I'm being careful with my bats. Being careful with my bat batteries. Do I go across the bridge? Or is that the bridge I fell off of? I don't know. I need to be careful, though. Any minute, people could pop up and... kill my ass with a machete. Or a pickaxe. Or a left-handed weasel named Timmy. It's possible! And again, it probably isn't. Please don't give me a stealth game right while I'm standing in the goddamn light! Woohoo. Carefully. Careful. This is the wrong way. That's a tree. Can I go in there? Listen. Use my advanced listeners. Jammed. Blocked. Okay. Oh no. There are hidey holes. Oh no. Marta, are you gonna go? There's an achievement that just popped up and I can't pick up its name. I can't pronounce its name. I can't even pronounce picked up at the moment. Oh god. That was Marta. That was Marta. That was the sound of Marta. That was the sound of Marta. That was her voice. Marta's here. I don't even have my anti-Marta weapon anymore. My awesome's missing. What do I have? Marta, hang on a second. I have a stethoscope. I have a stethoscope in my studio for some reason. I'll use it. I will. Don't think I won't, because I will. You think she bought it? Okay, so I've been sitting here for about 10 minutes, and I've heard fuck all. So I'm gonna risk it, get out, and see if Marta is actually here. Or she just appeared to scare the fuck out of me. Just make sure about that. If I die, I just end up back downstairs. That's not too far away, so that's fine. At least I'll know. I'll know if I should shit my pants or not. It's good. Why is there crosses? Oh, there are makeshift crosses all over the place. Can I see anything better in the HD? No, I cannot. I hear her or someone who sounds like her. Oh, what's that? What's that? Okay. Okay, someone had a very bad day. Oh, there's a screenshot for you all. Click! I don't like it, Mama. I don't like it, Mama. It's gonna rip my ass out. Okay. Need to be careful. Because this is what this game likes to do. It likes to tell me that I'm safe and then rip my skull out. That's what it does. Not a live person. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, red. Red lights. Because of all the red blood covering the sun. Or the moon. Or the sun moon. The soon, as it's called. Someone close the door on me. Someone close the door on me. Why would they do that? Uh-oh. Greetings, Starfighter. You have been recruited by Zur. You've been recruited by famous line in movie. Whoa. Dead? You dead? You actually dead? I don't know. Pick that up. It's collectible. Oh, more of... By the way, these are pages from the Gospel of Noth. And I'd read them, except the font is a little too small for me. And it fucks with my eyes for some reason. I do not know. I need to start wearing the more special versions of those computer glasses. So I can... but I'm hesitant to do that because they're expensive. And I might break them with my headphones and all that. Which is what happened to my last pair of special computer glasses. I was sad. Okay. You be careful. There's some light here. I'm going to rely on this for the time being. Someone's here! Golem, is that you? Gremlins? Gremlin golems? Mama. Mother dearest. I'm gonna replace my battery. Do that real fast. Okay, open the door. Open the door. Uh-oh. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. This is all too goddamn quiet. Okay. This is unorthodox and unusual. He's actually here. Someone here. Give me something to hide in. Uh-oh. Where am I going? Obviously, I'm going up the stairs. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I going? Across here? Across the hooks? Hooks. Hooks and more hooks. Don't hook me. Oh God. Oh God. I need to be more stealthy, but... Oh God. Oh God. Well, I did not move those. I didn't move these. Oh shit. Whoever did it seems to not be here right now because the door is closed. I'm gonna close the door. There we go. There we go. Uh-oh. Where am I? Who am I?
We tried to get her back before the enemy cracks her womb. But they... Wait, Lynn? Have you seen her? They killed us. They're the lucky ones they killed. Get out. We have to leave. We have to go.
But, oh, he was just... He's like me. He's like me. He's running around trying to get out of this place, isn't he? Okay. 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 I'll follow him then. Where'd he go? Oh, he missed it. Oh, he went through here. He went through here. There's a hole. There's a hole. There's a hole. There's a hole. No. 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 Not more school. Not more school. Not more tongue monster. No, I don't want to go back in there. He's stupid. If I go back in there, will I reappear in that? Probably not. Oh, dear. I'm scared. I'm scared for my little life. Oh, good. Good. Great big hallway of ominous. Isn't this just what every school kid wanted to encounter in school? The Library of Death. What's that say? Girl Study Guide. Study with girls or about girls? I'm down for both. As soon as I don't die. Not dying is important. Why? Ghost monster? Ghost monster? Why do you want my brain? Can't you have this telephone instead? Telephones are nowhere to trust us for monsters. It's a fact. Don't tell her it's not. Why do we get the feeling that I've missed a battery? Oh, God damn it. Oh, no. Oh, Magoo, you've done it again. Stop doing that. Stop doing all that noise and sounds and... Oh, good. Office. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Ah! Chair! Was it chair? Was it chair? Oh, there's a computer on. Stop doing that. Interact. What is this? Emails of the damned. Jessica's joined the... It works. This is weird. I can see you over there typing. Turn around. What is it? What was I supposed to see that I didn't see? What did I miss? Oh, Jessica was just here. Hello. I can see you. Like against the machine. Was the other thing on your screen? The window you closed when I was coming over. Nothing. Just messing around. Still haven't figured this computer thing out. I can help you anytime. Lynn's waving at you. What? Oh God, I'm having chest pains. Oh, I can't read that. You know, this would make a terrifying moment in a remake of Poltergeist. It would. Is this a message? Is this... Ah! Gog. Oh no. Oh no, where am I going? Going down the hallway of death. Okay, I'll just go in here. More computer room. Wonderful. Is there a computer on? Is there a computer on? Watch for that. Is there? Not that I'm seeing. I'm just wasting battery right now. Okay, apparently I'm going down this hallway. There she is. What the? Stop doing that with the camera! That's the pool where I was. Something's following her. She's walking around the pool. Okay. This isn't terrifying in the slightest. Oh, don't go in there. Oh, no. Oh, something was written there and they covered it up. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not terrified. I'm not shitting myself in fear terrors. I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. You stop that. You stop telling me what I'm afraid of. I want to go in these rooms. Hopefully find a battery. Any second a monster could pop up. Okay, just a collectible. I don't... Oh, hey, no. I have no idea what that says. It says, help me. It's out here. Okay. That's just that area. Oh, that's the American flag. That's the American flag. Don't be afraid unless you're from Vietnam. Okay, that was an insensitive joke. What the fuck was I thinking? Where am I going now? No, not there. Okay. Oh, good. Well, there she is. 1 second. Oh, Virgin Mary. Oh. She's bleeding from her eyes. That's a Catholic sign that there are demons about. Oh, fuck me. We're not alone here? Really? You think we're not alone here? You think we might not be alone here? Getting darker? Getting darker, or is it just me? Uh-oh. Is she gonna do that thing again where I have to listen for her? I'm gonna go downstairs now. Oh, God. This way? Then. Monster! 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 Open! 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 Where am I going? What the? Peek! Peek! Where am I? Oh, I'm out in the real world again. Hello? Where am I going? There are dudes up there. Uh-oh. Careful. Maybe they won't notice me. Okay. Little safe spot. Okay, I think that noise was just that breaking, wasn't it? Noises and sounds, noises and sounds. Looks like I go under here. Where am I going? Oh my god! What the fuck is that? What the fuck is it? What the fuck is it? What the fuck is it? I don't want to know. I don't want to know. In fact, I don't want to know. 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 I don't know what it is. Here it comes. Hiding. I'm hiding. I am hiding. I am hiding. I need to tell myself that I'm hiding because I'm hiding. That's what I'm doing. I am hiding. There he is. There he is. I'm not in the locker. He's looking in the barrel. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Please don't look in here. Yeah, just walk away. Just walk away. Okay. Yeah, you look over there. Where I'm not. Yeah, like a good monster. Like a good creature thing of death. And I'm just gonna have to bolt. Bolt straight for that crawl space, aren't I? Okay, so where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Okay. Gonna go for it. Now. There he is. Right there. I think he's guarding that. Going for it. Going. Out the door. Not there. Where am I going? Where am I going? Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Go. Where am I going? Where am I going? I don't know, but I'm going somewhere. I'm going somewhere. Hop. Oh god, where am I? I don't know where I am. Do you know where I am? No, you don't. Stop saying you do. Oh god. Where am I going? Who's here? Why are they here? Why is anyone of us here? Why are we here? What is life? What is life about? What is life doing? Oh god. Oh god. I don't know. Oh, can I push this? Please tell me I can push this. Please. Where am I going? Okay, jumping. Okay, okay, I'm back at school. Wow. That was fun. And by fun, I mean I shat my pants. Okay. Where are we going? Are we going to that window? Full of monstery doom? Are we? Is there gonna be a monster? Is it gonna eat my brain? It probably is. Okay, I don't like how that's set up. I have to go inside though. I don't like this. Okay, I go here now. Yay! I go here now. This is the third time this episode we've been to school. Oh good, the pool again. I'm on the pool again. I can't. Wow. Just fucking wow. I'm gonna let this record, but that is a candidate for the most disturbing thing I've ever seen. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I recorded it. Screenshot time. Click. Haha, scrapbook. Oh my god, where am I going? That looks like it's blocked off. Okay. So good this way. That monster's gonna appear any second now, isn't it? Oh no. Oh no. Cross fell. Cross fell. Cross fell. Cross fell. Oh. This way. Running. Running. Oh god. That was the monster. But I have to go this way, don't I? See it? It's in here. I hear it. I hear it sliming its way around. Uh-oh. Oh, there's a chair. Something here? Yes, there is. What's it say? Jessica loves Blake. What it must say. Monsters right. Monsters in this hallway, isn't it? I'm about to die. Okay. Girls and boys bathrooms. What does this mean? Where am I going? Am I going in the bathrooms? Shadow, are you the monster? Okay. Okay. Library? Uh-oh. I don't know. Oh no. Oh no. What's going on here? What's going on here? Locked. I don't know what to do. This is where I was before. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, this is way larger now. What was that? Shadows. Shadows in the dark. I don't like it. Battery for me. Thank you. Uh-oh. 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 Oh god. Stop! Stop vibrating at me! Oh shit. No! What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm scared. I'm mega time scared. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? Where am I going? What's going on here? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Do I have to go this way? Seems to be gone. Oh god. Crawling. Crawling. Crawling past the faith books. going on here? I don't know what's going on. I'm too scared to talk. Let me in. Let me out. Let me in. Let me out. Let me in. Let me out.
He's coming!
Where? Bandage. That's a bandage. I can't carry any more bandages. Monster's here. Go there. Run. Just run there. Run there. It has to be the right way. This has to be the right way. It's the only way. It has to be the right way. It has to be the right way. Please tell me it's the right way. I don't know. I don't want to. Ah! No! 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 Follow Jessica. Follow Jessica. Ah! I'm hurrying. I'm hurrying, Jessica. I'm hurrying. I'm hurrying. I'm hurrying. Ah! Oh no! Please don't kill me! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Where am I? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you know, I'm gonna leave this episode right here. Ha 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 ha! We had fun. We went to school 3 times today. 3 times today. My mouth is so dry I can taste it. Well, duh, I can taste it. But it's all raining blood, and it's terrible, and it's awful, and it's terrible. I don't know what was going on with that monster. It was a shadow, then it wasn't, then it was there, then it wasn't, and then it appeared, and then it tried to kill me, and then I didn't die when I thought I was going to die, and then all kinds of horrible things started to happen to me, and I need to calm down. I need to go inside. I need to go in the living room and have a pretzel. I need a pretzel! Thank you so much for joining me, ladies and gentlemen. If you like what you saw, hit the like button to let me know about it. If you really like what you saw, hit the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss a thing. And join me next time on Outlast. However, pausing game so they don't kill me. Join me next time on Outlast when things happen and stuff, and we find our wife who is giving birth to the Antichrist and so forth. Marta's gonna come back, isn't she? She is. She is, isn't he? And I have this. I have this. I don't know. 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 I don't know what's going on! Run button. Ready. Run button and leap and grab! Oh god. No, don't you grab my feet, lady. You are a horrible lady. All of your grandchildren hate you. Good lord. You're not fat, lady. You're not fat. My god, you are beyond mother...